So here's how to disable direct messages or DM in TikTok. So let's get started without wasting any more time. First of all, for that reason, open up the TikTok application, and then from the bottom right side corner, you will see the profile. So select the profile, and then right upper side, you will probably see the three dots. So select the three dots and go with the settings and privacy option. And once you have done to here, you need to go with the privacy, and then scroll it down and you will probably find the direct messages. So select this one, and here another option will appear, allow direct messages from. You need to select this, and here you will find probably these 3 or 4 options. So to disable direct messages, you need to select no one. Now as you can see, no one can send you direct messages. So after selecting that one, you need to close this up and simply go back. And that's how you have disabled direct messages on TikTok. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.